Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this WordPress series, we will talk about how to show your Google Map reviews on your WordPress website directly. Now, what usually happens, right? If you have a business for which you have already a Google Map location or Google My Business profile, and you have, good amount of reviews on for that location. Let's say, for example, I have taken an example of Times Square, right? Just for educational purposes. Now, let's say if I want to showcase the reviews which are on Times Square's Google location, right? It is right now 210905 reviews, right? Now, why is it important to showcase reviews on your website? It is the best way to generate authenticity for your business or a trust on your for your business in your audience mind, because it kind of gives us social proof, yes, that your business has already served like multiple customers or multiple audience, and what is their feedback about the services or the products or the maybe experience that you shared or that you gave to your audience. So that tells about your business quality, authenticity, and social proof. So there are two ways to do it. First way is that you can directly copy and paste reviews from your Google My Business or Google location and paste them manually on your WordPress website like this way. So what you can do, this is very easy, right? So you can just take a review widget from Elementor and you can simply give how many stars, like 4-star, 5-star rating. Then you can paste the review, the feedback, the content of the review. You can put a picture and you can put a name on name of that review. But the drawback of this particular method is that every time there is a new review, it will not automatically update it. You have to copy and paste manually, change again and again. So I want something which is automated. So in second case, which I am telling you, or I will be telling you, the automatic review will be fetched from your Google My Business profile. Right now, how to do that? In order to perform the same, we will go to our dashboard. The step number 1, to install a small plugin which will help us to automate this entire process of fetching the Google My Business reviews onto your WordPress website. So we'll simply write Google reviews. We will simply write Google reviews. As soon as you search Google reviews, you will see plugin for Google reviews, widget for Google reviews, WP Google reviews slider. So there are multiple plugins, right? There are multiple plugins. One officially from Google itself and others are, from third party. Now what you can do is you can either go with this one, let's say official way to show reviews on WordPress site without Google crawling, and other unofficial method, boost user trust and sales on your WordPress website, right? Or embed Google reviews fast and easily into your WordPress website, increase SEO trust and sales using Google reviews. So you can say this was updated 1 week ago, this was updated 6 days ago. I mean, both were updated recently. So you can go choose any of these. So let's say I choose the first one. So we'll click on install now. And as soon as the installation is finished, we will just simply activate this plugin. So this is our step number 1. And please make sure that whatever Google My Business location you have, you should open that, right? Because that will be needed in the second process, second step. Now let's activate this. So once it is activated, it is, by default taken us to the settings page of the, the plugin. Now it says enter the location. Let's say I want to enter the location Times Square, right? Times Square. And it has already detected the location, right? Place ID. Place ID means language, we can say English, right? And just paste copied place ID in the field, select language if needed. What is the place ID? Place ID you can copy and found. This is the place ID you can see here. That is the place ID. So just copy the place ID from here and paste it here and then connect Google. And as soon as you enter the place ID and click on connect Google, it will say please wait, and now it has fetched the URL, the reviews, right? So you can see 1 hour ago the recent reviews are automatically fetched. It has started automatically fetching the reviews, right? So I don't need to now manually copy and paste the reviews on my website. It is fetching automatically one by one. And now I can set the limitations, like how many reviews I want to show, how many, number of reviews I want to showcase at once. And in order to showcase these reviews on my page, what I need to do is I just need to copy this shortcode from here, come on to the page where I want to showcase. Let's say I want to showcase on home page. I will click on edit with Elementor. Now, since this was a popular location, that's why it was already detected. If your location is not that popular, then you need to do it manually. In that case, the place ID will be in the URL bar. So now here I will go scroll down to the page, and instead of this section, I will just delete this section because I no longer needed this static section. Instead of that, I can just put my, latest automated one. So I will search for shortcode. Drag here, and then I will paste my shortcode here. As soon as I pasted it, you can see the Google reviews are now showing on my home page. And these are the latest reviews. These are not the old reviews, or I have not added them manually one by one. As soon as somebody giving a review on my Google location, they are automatically fetched on my WordPress website like this way. And you can see that even if somebody is coming on our website and they are able to see these reviews, right, of course the trust of the user will be increased. And if somebody wants to give review on our Google business profile, they can simply click on this button and they will be redirected to the Google My Business location, and then from there they can share their reviews on our Google My Business profile. The more settings about this particular option is that you can say custom common options like pagination, slider, what layout. You can also show the reviews in terms of grid like this, right? Instead of slider, you can show in a grid, or you can show in the form of list. So whatever suits as per your business need or as per your website needs, you can go ahead with that. Common options is like pagination. After how many reviews you want to show the pagination, maximum character before read more link. So if you see here, so there are read more links as well. So let's say if there is a review which is long in length, so you can add a read more instead of showing the entire review. Hide business photo, hide business name, hide based on. So there are plenty of options that you can play around, and you can see which option you want and which option you don't want. Also, what is the default speed, automatically speed, autoplay, style options. You can see the dark theme, the hide review background, right? And the advanced options like how many cache data, like last 12 hours you want to show, lazy load. So there are plenty of options, plenty of things that you can play around with this option. But your agenda of showing automated Google reviews on your WordPress website, without any manual approach is done. So that was the agenda for this video. If you have any question, I am happy to answer. Please leave your query in the comment box below. And that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.